wonderful would it be?
I can't do this anymore, Rankin. This thing, the fight, the arguing in front of our children. What kind of thing this? This is not no relationship.
What do you mean it's not a relationship? What you say? What do you mean that? We put it together from one picnic later.
And yet you still don't have no respect for me. What about the woman that came to the gate with the pitney them saying that you're pinning them? I had to give her money because they were so hungry.
You still live on that? She was a one night stand, Mila, I'm tell you already. You know you won't love Mila. We are trying, say. That much of this has sitting here and work on how long.
You fool, you lie. How she feel one night stand and not finish it for you? You're a police officer. Where is the money going? You live down at the bar, and the barcade not a skin up our face off for me.
Yo, you can't go nowhere, you never done so me I say already. Threat, yo, nobody even make me feel like say I'm a different man that me making.
How are that? What is the up in them? Let's do in the one on the room now.
Yo, are you?
Them look up in the AC, man.
Mila, I want to talk to you, you know.
Man, I don't have time to talk to you right now. It's matter something. Well, Mama Bev, my blood said I can't come here, come talk about my little problem. Then I know hear them back. May I come go up here and
No worries, Mila. You're like a daughter to me. You can't tell me anything, no worry. And you know what? When you go up with Mr. Charlie tomorrow, and Mariah to come with me.
Mr. Charlie, the older man. Mr. Charlie, I don't know you, no Mama Bev.
Oh man, come with me. Come get a read up. Something must have caused your sadness, baby.
Okay, Mama Bev, I will come. I don't believe in them something there, you know, but never come cause they say so.
Okay, my baby. Meet me here, so, and the two of we go together.
Okay, Mama Bev, may I come go?
Okay, baby, tomorrow.